In this video, I will show you how you can transfer all your data from your iPhone to your Galaxy Tab A9 or your A9 Plus. Now before we start, just make sure that your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now after you do that, then on your tablet, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just make sure you install Smart Switch on your tablet. Now most of the time this app is pre-installed on Galaxy devices. Now after you install this app on your tablet, then on your iPhone, just open the App Store. And in the App Store, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPhone. Now after you do that, then just tap on Open. Select Continue. Now just make sure you give this app all the following permissions. Select Allow Full Access and select Allow. Tap on Let's Go. Now you can either share your data through a wire, but I will select the wireless option. Tap on Next. Now as you can see, it has opened the scanner in the Smart Switch app. Now for the next step, just open Smart Switch on your Tab A9 or the A9 Plus. Now since we are transferring data from our iPhone to our tablet, just select Receive on this tablet. Tap on iPhone or iPad and select Wireless. Tap on Next. As you can see, it is generating a QR code. After it has generated the QR code, now just scan this QR code using your iPhone. After you have scanned the QR code, it will show you this notification on the screen. Now just select Join, and after you do that, it will start pairing with your Tab A9. Now on your Galaxy Tab A9, just select the data which you want to transfer. Now as you can see, if you select All, you will be able to transfer all your data from your old iPhone to your Galaxy tablet, or you can select the preferred data from here. For example, if you only want to transfer the contacts or the photos for an example, just select the data from here. Now for this video, I will select All. Now after you select the data which you want to transfer, then just scroll down and tap on Transfer. Now depending on the amount of data which you're transferring, it will take some time. And once the transfer process is completed, it will show you this screen. Now just tap on Close and tap on Next. Tap on Next. Then tap on Done. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Photos app, as you can see, we have successfully transferred the data from our old iPhone to our Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Just like that. And this is how you can transfer all your data from your old iPhone to your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.